Hello, dear students. This is Dr. Sourav sir's class. We are now solving UPSC Mathematics Optional Paper, and this is the question which is marked 5B in our question set. So, what the question says? The question says us to solve the integral equation, which is yt equals to cos t plus integral 0 to t yx cos t minus x dx, and using we have to use the Laplace transformation to do the sum. Okay, so firstly we have to know that by the convolution method we can write it as the integral we can be written as our yx convoluted with cos x. This is the distance. So now we are taking the Laplace transformation in our equation for both sides. Okay. Then it will be Lyt and it will be L of cos t. Then, sorry, it will be in this form. Then these terms can be noted further. So our what is the value of our L of cos t? Now, as we know this thing that L of cos a t is equals to our s by s square plus 1. Laplace transformation of cos a t goes to s by s square plus a square. How our a is 1 here, so we have to put the values as s by s square plus 1, and it will also be s by s square plus 1. Then what will happen? Then we are taking all the, sorry, I have to change my color. Yeah, then what will happen? Then we are taking the Laplace of yt in our LHS. Then this thing happens. We can easily take the denominator same and cancel out them. By doing this, our denominator will be now cancelled out. Okay, then the magic happens as our yt is now Laplace inverse, sorry, yeah, L inverse of s by s square minus s plus 1. Then, yeah, now what can be done? In our former formula, which is L of Laplace transformation of cos a t equals to s by s square plus a square, we can't use it in our this form. So what can be done? So we can do it via this method. L inverse. Now this color. Okay. Now s by, it will be s square minus 2s half then it will be half whole square. Then what will be the remainder? The remainder will be 1 minus 1 by 4 is our 3 by 4. Then our root 3 by 2 will be the term. Okay. Now what can be done? We have this is the s minus half whole square. So draw, yeah, yeah, okay. So this is our L inverse s by s minus half square and this. Now in this question, and what point we get now, we cannot use any direct formula from or no, direct formula of Laplace inverse to get our yt. So what we can done, we can use this thing. Okay, now our L inverse s minus half and s minus half square. After sometimes you can see the magic of solving this. Now we can use two easy formulas to solve it. So what can be used? We can use that yeah, yeah, okay. Firstly, I am writing the formulas in here so you can easily see and feel the solution of what it where it goes or not. This is s minus a, sorry, b by s minus a whole square plus b square, and our L e to the power a t cos bx goes to s minus a, and this goes to s minus a square plus b square. Okay. If I say that, if I say that our a is half and b is root 3 by 2, then the magic happens or not? Then the magic happens or not? Then we get L inverse of this thing will remain same. So it will be our e to the power, that means it will be e to the power t by 2 and cos root over of 3 by 2x. Now that part is done. Now we have to move forward to our second part. Our second part tells us that the b term, that means root 3 by 2, will, if it is here, then we can use the formula. So I can rewrite it by in this manner. Okay, L inverse of, yeah, 1 by root 3, then root 3 by 2, then it will be s minus half square, and yeah, then you can see that we have got the original form of of our second formula, which is this thing or not, which is this thing or not. Then we can write, by using the formula, we get the value at 1 by root 3 e to the power t by 2, and it is sine root 3x by 2. And this is our value, this is our function of, sorry, that will be t, no? Yeah, yeah. I have written the formula for x, so I mistaken here. Yeah, yeah. Then it is all okay, all good. Okay, all's well when ends well. So now this is our yt, which is our required expression and the solution of the integral equation. Hope you understood. Thank you guys.